Magam. Today's star is Magam. Magam is the megastar. Megastar is Magam. Magam rules Jagam. Magam rules Jagam. Magam rules over Jagam. That is inborn quality of Magam. That means Paraparam. Paraparam Anamaya Niradara Magocharam Paramatantram Vichitram. Paraparam. You have come to this megastar today because of your previous birth. If you sit tight to that meditation, you can see what was the past, what is present, what is future. No one can see, but you are blessed for it. That's why Paraparam. If anything disturbance, if any obstacle comes to you, no one will come to rescue for you. You by your own self, your own efforts, your own wealth, health, your own techniques will solve your problems. Such a kind of your traditional soul, you are here functioning because of your previous birth. That previous birth has resulted this birth. This birth will give you the next birth. No doubt. Magam, everyone will have the birth cycle. Believe it or not, you are traditional. You sit down, you sit tight to the chair, I sit tight to the plank of wood and sit on the wood and go for meditation. What to say? Maga, I am Maga. I am Maga, Swagatam, I am Maga. I am Maga, I am Brahman. I am Maga. Then next one, Paraparam Arpanam. Paraparam Arpanam. That's all. That is traditional style. My traditional soul must help me like that. Then next one, Anamaya Niradara Magocharam. You have the mother's heart. The mother's heart will feed everyone. That is the divinity in you. Mother is the God. And who is the mother? Who is the mother? All gods are Sakti. All gods are mother in India. Bhumata. Your Jagam, Jagan Mata. Ganga, Ganga Mata. Kamakshi, Meenakshi, Maheswari. Like that, everyone is that Anamaya Niradara Magocharam. That motherlyhood is in you. Maybe boy or girl, you are mother. When you surrender, anyone surrenders to you, he will grant so many boons, so many concessions, so many wealth. He will grant whatever they want, but they must surrender you. Because you have the divinity, you have the Yajna, you have the Agana, Agnihotra, you have the Havana, you have the power of God to invoke the God by meditation, and then by house will be cleansed by water. Okay, the space must be cleansed by Yajna, Havana. That Havana and Yajna is the symbol of you. Election symbol for Magam is nothing but Yajna, Yaga Kundam. With a blowing Yajna is always in you. Whatever it is, you will solve it by curious Havanas, magical Havanas. So that kind of habit is with you, that kind of practice in you, that is called magic in you. Om Bhuvasvaha Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimagi Diyo Yona Prachodaya. Magical spinach maketh weights, logical tree giveth thy sweets, miracle fine arts mix thy mind, musical divinity counts thy soul. Magical spinach maketh thy words. Your words are magical words. You are not words, not mantras, but magic. Drawing is refined. Drawing is refined by drawing master. But you are also drawing. Your drawings, you are not drawing master, you are drawing magician. Your words will be done. Your ideas, your thoughts are magic. You are man of magic, soul of magic, woman of magic. So, Magam, and you have all the motherly candidate, motherly nature with magical spinach. Your words are government orders. Your words are boons. Then logical tree giveth thy deeds. What is the logical tree? Your logic is nothing but banyan tree. Sit under the banyan tree for how many minutes? What is your age? If your age is 10 minutes, sit for 10 minutes. If your age is 20 minutes, 20 minutes. That is the age rule. Sit there and you will have all kinds of that tree, logical tree, give thy deeds, what to do, what not to do, will be fed by the tree. What tree? Banyan tree. That is important for Megastar. Miracle fine arts mix thy mind. Miracle fine arts. Miracles will be happening. Because you have that abundant power. Abundant power. Paramatantram. You are not Maya Jal. You are Maya Bajar. You are Mantra Bajar. Or Magic Bajar. Magic Avenue. Magic Garden. Whatever it is. You will do whatever you feel. Your Rome will be built in a day. Yes. It can be done by you only. By virtue of your thought, imagination and practical ideas, modes and means and mentalities. The miracle fine arts makes thy mind. Your miracle is with your fine arts. That is your art. That is your art is long. Life is short. And in that short life, you will make longest arts. Musical divinity counts thy soul. Your musical divinity is nothing but Vichitram. Chitram, drawing. Vichitram, holy drawing. Victorious drawing. Victorious plans will be made by Magam star. What about that Magam star will give for any other stars? I am not Magam star. I am Bharani. You are Bharani. You are Aswani. Like that, many are there. In this Maga star, you do Annadana. You do Yagna. By 11:45 to 12, you do Agnihotra. One Agnihotra it is 165 rupees. Everything is found there. Just 100 grams of ghee and some wood and vriksha and navadanya and whatever it is, everything is there. That yagna practice will purify the air and purify the jagat. You purify your home. Every home is purified. Every street is purified. Every town is purified. Then no corona will come. And everything will be washed away. And every cleansing is over. Then why do you worry about all the other pollutions, all the other corona combinations? Everything will be washed away. So make it sure that you go with yagna, go with havana and overcome the present style. Vichitram, that Vichitram is important. That protection, you are the protection and you will be the only hero or you will be the only heroine on the stage. Under the banyan tree, no tree can be planted, no tree can crop up, but 1,000 people, 1,008 people will be sheltered. That is different. Under the tree, no other tree will come. That is policy. But under the banyan tree, nothing will be there. Only a man, human races, all 27 nakshatras will surrender to Magam, and that is Megastar. That is the Megastar. Anamaya Nira Magocharam. With this motherly, and because you are doing yagna, you have to give ahudi, you have to give prasadam, you have to give annadanam. That annadanam is that is blessing in disguise. In that prasadam, everyone will also feel happy. Immediately the rain will come. Immediately the world will be protected. And such a kind of Megastar is the best star. Magame, welcome, Swagatam Magam, Swagatam Magam, Swagatam Magam, and protect us with all your magic, with all your Maya Jal. Thank you.